Hi guys, welcome to edsontubecode channel, and today I'll be presenting you guys a language application. The main purpose of this application was developed to help people create their own dictionary, and if you are learning a new language, this application will help you to increase your vocabulary. The name of this application is DCBuilder, as you guys can see right above here, DCBuilder, and this application was developed using NetBeans IDE version 8.0.1. Now, before I tell you guys how it works, let me share with you guys a short story. If you guys are learning a new language, this is how I increased my vocabulary when I was learning English for school purposes. Now, I used to write down the words that I hear or see in my notebooks. The word that I hear or see, I write them in my notebooks with the meanings, the word and the meaning. And I used to revise those words for further on, make use of them so they could get stuck in my mind. Now, with the DCBuilder, you will not need to write in your notebooks, and the good thing is you can search for those words by typing the words or the first letter or the second letter of the word. As you type the first or the second letter of the word, it shows the word that you entered. So let's go ahead and see how it works. Let's run it. When you run the DCBuilder for the first time, this dialog box opens, asking you to enter the first language and the second language. In this case, let's enter our first language, English. Second language, Portuguese, and click OK, or let's click OK. Now, this is the main windows of DCBuilder. You can see that we have two radio buttons named Click Me. Once you click them, it shows you the first and the second language. So let's go ahead and click them. Voila, English and Portuguese, as we enter the first language and the second language. Now, right now, we don't have any words in our English database or Portuguese database. So let's go ahead and add word to our English and Portuguese database by clicking DB modifier. The DB modifier is a button that allows you to enter, update, and delete words. The DB stands for database. So let's go ahead and add word, DB modifier, and you can see that the English radio button is checked or clicked. If the English radio button is checked or clicked, it means that you'll be adding, deleting, or updating word from English database. And if the Portuguese is checked, it means that you'll be doing all those activities in the Portuguese database. Okay, let's click in search. You can see that nothing was showed. And if you click in Portuguese and click search, nothing was showed. Now, let's go ahead and add word. For time's sake, or for the sake of the time, I reserved some words that we will be using. Let's click add word, and the first word is fast, and the translation is already right here. Just for time's sake, I don't want to type them, and this is our meaning, or the description of this word, whatever you want to do with the application. Once you enter your data, you can click save, and there is a dialog box telling you that your word was saved successfully. So click OK, and here is our word. So click in Portuguese and add a word in Portuguese database. The word is comer, which means eat. Don't worry, I'm not hungry, I already ate. So copy and paste. this is the meaning of this word from Portuguese to English, and click save. The save dialog box and click OK. Now let's see how the update and delete button works. Right now, if I click update, it shows me an error message because I didn't select any word. So if you want to delete or update the word, you have to select the word first. In this case, I'll not be changing those words that I entered, so I'll be entering a new word that we will be playing with Edson, and the translation is 1, 2, 3, and click save. And here is our word Edson, the translation 1, 2, 3. Now if you want to update or delete this word, just have to select the word and click update. Now let's change the name to Edson Code and click save, and our update was successfully done. Here we go, Edson Code. And if you want to delete, just go ahead and click delete word, and will ask you if you want to delete this word or not. In this case, yes, we want. So let's click OK, and basically this is how the DB modifier works. So let's go ahead and search for our words that we entered. In English, we entered fast, right? So as you type F, it already shows you the word right there, fast. You can finish it fast. You can click the word, click OK, or just press enter. It shows you the translation of the words, as you can see, like adjetivo, rapido, veloce, exemplo, a fast car, which means example, a fast car, un carro veloce, adverbio, rápido, exemplo, you can see the example down below. He talks too fast, ele fala rápido demais. And let's look for a word in Portuguese. Let's click Portuguese, and the word that we enter is comer. You can see it's already there, comer, and click OK or press enter. And this is the translation that we enter in the Portuguese database when we enter the word comer. So I think basically that's all that I had to present for you guys today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a nice day. And sorry for the sound. I think I need to buy a microphone, right? Yeah. Sorry for the sound and have a nice day. Thank you.